got it. You like my hair? Gee, thanks. Just rub it. I see it. I like it. I want it. I got it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing an unboxing and letting you in on how to get some free stuff. I mean, who doesn't love free stuff? This is actually my first unboxing video on this channel, so I am super excited to film this for you. And before we get into it, if you are new to my channel and enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit subscribe before you leave and give me a thumbs up. And yeah, let's just jump right into it. Okay, so today I'm going to be unboxing a box. Obviously it's a box. And this box is from a company called PINCHme. So PINCHme reached out to me and was like, hey, we'd love to send you a box. If you're interested, you could talk about it on your channel. And if I'm being completely 100% authentic with you guys, I have gotten emails like this since kind of my following grew and all this craziness happened. And I have been really picky and choosy with kind of who I work with or collab with or get free stuff from. I never want to talk about something that I don't actually care about or would do or would pay for myself. So I received this box from them. So when they reached out to me, not only were they super nice, but I looked at their website and kind of read more into it and I was like, wait, this is actually really cool. So what you do is you sign up, create a profile, you answer some questions so that they can better get to know you and your interests, and then you get free stuff. So pretty much how it works is every second Tuesday of the month, you go on pinchme.com and you can select different products that you would like to try out. A lot of these products are leading brands, which is awesome. So it's probably brands that you've heard of or seen on the shelves. And these products can range from beauty products, hair products, pet products, snacks, baby products. Like, it's a whole bunch of different stuff that you can choose from based on your interests. And I figured since I was interested in it, then some of my subscribers would be too. So if you are, there is a link in my description box for you to go and sign up. And again, it is completely free. There's no gimmicks, nothing. I know that sounds crazy, but it's free. Okay, so let's get into the unboxing. I haven't looked what's inside of here and I'm super excited. This is what the box looks like. Super cute and small. Oh, something's rattling in there. Is it broken? This is what the box looks like. Super cute. There's a heart with a little P on it. It has the PINCHme logo right here. Try products from leading brands for free. Open this bad boy up, shall we? Oh my gosh, wow. Something in here, seriously, it smells so bad. Okay, so first thing I see is a little card. Oh, some good stuff in here. So the card just pretty much lays out how it works. Go to PINCHme to sign up. Once a month, we'll email you when free samples are available for you to claim. Provide your honest feedback on the samples to claim more products. Cool. First thing I see in here, we have Sundown Naturals Multi-Daily Immune Support Vitamins. Lord knows I need these. My hair is annoying me so bad. So it says it provides 8 essential vitamins and zinc, 100% free of dairy, artificial flavors, non-GMO, gluten-free. If I'm being completely honest with you, I haven't taken a vitamin in like 3 years, so we should probably do that. Next, we have this Moroccan oil treatment for all hair types. I wonder if this is what smells so good. It's not, but it smells like coconut, which is my jam. Okay, I love a good hair oil. I'm here for that. Okay, next, I think this is food related and I love food. This is nut butter, egg white, peanuts, date, no BS. Honey, cinnamon, peanut butter. Oh my gosh, that sounds amazing. What do I put this on? Toast? Should I try a little bit? Is that disgusting? Whatever. Oh. Oh. So many flavors. This is really good. Definitely eating this after this video is over. Next we have L'Oreal Clay Mask. I love these masks and I don't actually think I've tried this one specifically. This one is the charcoal mask? What is this? Yeah, Pure Clay Mask Detox and Brighten. Just a little sample of the mask. I love those, so I'm excited to try that. And we've got, looks like some soaps. These are what smell good. This is by the brand Pacha. It smells amazing. All right, next we have Garnier Fructis Hair Mask. Ooh, an avocado hair mask. Love hair masks. My hair definitely needs it, so excited for that. The last thing in my little box is a Garnier Gentle shampoo and conditioner. It comes in a little package like this. Love it. So that's it. That was in my little PINCHme box. That was fun. Well, that completes this video. I feel like this is gonna be kind of short, but I'm super excited to try all these little goodies that I received, especially the peanut butter. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And again, if you are interested in signing up for PINCHme and getting some free goodies, the link is in my description box, and comment below if you're gonna sign up, if you're not, why. Do you like unboxing videos? Let me know. So yeah, love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.